Today I'm going to make a block print bed sheet. This is a plain 100% cotton fabric, and so I'm planning to make a bed sheet for my daughter. She wants something in gray color with a gray block print, and because she has a doher in gray and she wants something to match with that. So I've decided to use these acrylic colors. I don't have gray colors, so I'm going to mix these two, black and white, and I'm going to use this fabric medium to increase the flexibility of the color, and it really helps in, it doesn't peel off when the color is drying up. And so I'm going to use this, and then the block I'm going to use is she likes this. She selected this out of my collection. So this is a bamboo pattern. I hope you can make out. And my printing table, I'm using these 4 layers of these bed sheets, old bed sheets, to have some cushioning under the table, under the printing fabric. So this is all the preparation I've done, and let's get started. And it's done. It hardly took me 15 minutes to finish this bed sheet. And now we're going to do the pillow cover. I think I'll just do here in one corner, because I don't want the whole pillow covered with the print. So I guess this is how they look if you put them together.